All right, so we got these tins. This came in today. Got like Ronald Acuna Jr. Here's a hobby Baez. Like Trout. Cody Bellinger. You got a Bryce Harper. And you got an Aaron Judge. And I was kind of going over the holiday section. And so you have what's called like short prints. And then there's a rare short prints. And there's like a super rare short prints. So like, I don't know if you can see. You kind of look at the code down here. And if it's like ends in 514, that's just a short print. And if it's ends in 515, which this one does, then that's a rare short print. If it ends in 516, that's a super rare short print. And then the base cards, if it's like 506, 510, that's just so they have a low code down here. And yeah, so this one's just the base 506, 510. You know, I think that would apply to also so metallic. So anyhow, I just thought I'd open these up and then maybe do a war against each other. And I was working well left and right. You know, right-handed, left-hander, left-hander. But Acuna is like right-handed. So figure, hobby Baez, he got traded to the Detroit Tigers. So, you know, I'll throw him maybe with the American League. And I've seen a few people do like a war. That's kind of what that looks like. Let's see here. See anything? This is from 2021. And I figure right about here, you can kind of see where they have a different color, so that probably right in the middle, that's where you're going to get your good stuff. Which nowadays seem like if it's not numbered, not an autograph or not not a jersey or a bat, you know, it's like, oh, it's an insert, but all right, so our first one, Tony Kemp. Lewis. That's like a 1986 design. Yadier Molina. So I guess that's probably a 1970 design. Looks like. But supposing that's going to be 1957, 52, 52. Francisco Lindor, that's going to be the Topps Chrome. You see that there. And a Willie Mays, that's like 1987. Because it's got usually that thing there. Or maybe 1970. It's like the yellowish thing there. So, all right, so that's one tune down. Now do the Bryce Harper. There's Kershaw. Fernando Tatis. Okay, now to the guess. Oh, let's see, what is this one? Oh, this is gonna be that home run derby thing. So Jordan Alvarez, but that one, they say 2022 home run derby. And then it looks like a gold. Okay, 2021 1842. Oh, showing Ohtani. So that's the 86 design. That one. Just, I guess, just a chrome there. Justin Verlander. Sonny Gray. I will pull holes. Manny Machado. Yeah, Luis Robert. Francisco Lindor. And is that like an autograph? That might be an autograph there. So that one, I'd say, hands down to the Bryce Harper, because it had the numbered card. Got to show Ohtani, and I'm not too sure about that one, if that's actually a sign, because it doesn't have anything on there. All right. So now, I guess we'll do the Iron Judge. So that's the rookie card, Joe Adell. That's it. And sort of the back sides of what they look like. So now, Francisco Lindor, Home Run Derby. Let's show you Ohtani. What is that? That's weird. J.D. Martinez, Mike Trout, Blake Snell, Garrett Cole, Clayton Kershaw. There's a Jackie Robinson, 70 years. So I guess that this is just a chrome. We'll go to Cody Bellinger. Joe Adell again. Let's see here. This is not numbered, but you know, nice. Hello, Jimenez. This is a Mark McGuire. And the back's like almost like 68, 69. Joey Bart, Nate Pearson, Josh Bell, Nolan Arenado, Javier Baez, Christian Yelich. So they'd be like, and that's the Chris Bryant. Maybe that they'll do 70 years. So far only one numbered card, but you know, nice, pretty much a nice set there. You know, to get the tunes. So now, do the Mike Trout. as I smack the iPhone. That's a nice picture there of the Ivy and Albert Almora Jr. Man, Machado, that's a sweet picture there with the bat probably leaving the ball, leaving the bat. And all these flipped around. So there's Jorge Soler, David Ortiz. There's Mark McGwire. And that's from the 1969 set, kind of the back side of it. Dave DeGrom, Justin Verlander, Sonny Gray, Albert Pujols, Manny Machado, and then there's Albert Pujols, Chrome. In each row, that's maybe from the 1995. Ooh. Okay, now for the wrong Acuna. So far was the Bryce Harper, right? Or maybe it was a Cody Bellinger that has it. Autograph. Not the autograph, but the numbered card. And I'm still wondering what the hell is that? There's Matt Chapman in an A's uniform. Harrison Bader. 120 out of 2021. So it was a Frank Thomas 1986 design. Freddie Freeman and the Braves. Again, 1986. There's Matt Chapman. Chrome. That's Chris Bryant. Aaron Judge. Yadier Molina. Jacob DeGrom. Justin Verlander. J.D. Martinez. And history of tops. So let's see which one had the better there. I think it was the Bryce Harper. So 1842 Max Ride and Harrison Bader. 120 out of 2021. So it was the Bryce Harper 10 that went out. And both National League ones had like a numbered card. So that's interesting. Anyhow, that's kind of designed for 2021. Yeah, that was a fun. Well, I thought it was pretty fun to do these tins here. Plus, you got to keep the tins. And anyhow, have a fun weekend and a fun week. Enjoy there.